In this SQL tutorial, we'll quickly learn about one of the reasons why programmers or database designer or database administrators choose to store numeric data into a column that has a character data type associated with it. So numeric data is frequently stored as characters instead of numbers. For example, phone numbers are usually stored as characters rather than numbers, and let me show you one of the reasons why programmers have to do that. I'll quickly activate this application, Oracle SQL Developer, which is an interface that will let you connect to the database. I'll quickly connect to the database as user HR, and I'll type in the password. So we are connected to the database as user HR, and I'll quickly create a table, and the name of the table is ABC, for example, and I want to store international dialing code. So the name of the column is code and the data type is number for this column. So I'll run this and table ABC has been created. Now let me insert some values. Insert into ABC values, and I'll say 0061, which is the international dialing code for Australia. So if you're calling from overseas to an Australian number, you'll have to dial 0061 first. And I'll run this statement. One row has been inserted. I'll insert another value, and this time I'll simply put this value in single quotations. So I'll run this statement again, and another row has been inserted. Now this is the point. Let me show you what happens now. If you select all data from this table ABC, you should have two rows, but let's see what happens. The data that we inserted has double zeros in front of it. In both the times had double zeros. And what has been recorded into the table, you have missed out 2 digits. You haven't stored double zeros, which is not the right representation of the data that you wanted to represent. You wanted double zero, which is an essential part of the code. So if you don't dial double zero, you're never going to be able to dial into the Australia. So let me create another table. Create table ABCD this time, and the name of the column is code once again, and the data type is varchar2, and we'll store 4 characters into it. And run this. Table ABCD has been created, and let me insert same data into in this table. Insert into ABCD values. Now character data type has always to be inserted within single quotations, 0061, and I'll run this statement, and let me insert another row into it, again within single quotes. And if you select data from this table ABCD and run this statement, you have correct data. So this is one of the reasons you have to use character data type into a column that will actually have numeric values. So let me drop both these tables. Drop table ABC, table dropped, and let me also drop table ABCD. I hope you learned something today. Thank you very much.